of my life,
Story of a life.
that is such a thrilling game. And I wanna be unfaithful.
Very cute. Hello, this is us one more time broadcasting for a rainy weather day.
Because we are so cheap, we have to travel during the rainy season because we can't afford high season prices.
And we invited all of our friends to join us in this beautiful journey.
Very happy. Very,
Yeah.
very happy. Put your sunnies on and you can trick yourself into it being a lovely day.
Today's theme is waterfall. Oh, we look so dark.
Turn around. Today's theme is waterfall and how to fix my hair.
This is a dead project. Jasmine.
It's not a dead project, Ludi. We're gonna go to this waterfall.
No, I was talking about the hair.
So Yasmin, because she's the influencer.
Dating. I got hair for free, exchange of partnership, but it looks like this.
Is that Cruella de Vil?
It's Cruella de Vil!
Lazada. From Lazada.
Cruella from Shopee. I am Cruella from Shopee and I will gladly accept it.
Shopee and Lazada is titanium. So there you go.
Okay, we are driving to this waterfall. We're trying to go to Casa One, but it's so busy, so full of people. And now we're going down to business. We went up so much and now we're going down. The view is stunning.
The drive here, the road was just incredible.
The road was amazing. Thomas cannot speak now because he's giving all his attention to this ride.
Oh, tell them about the crash.
We had a small crash. It was more like
Look at the
falling.
road in front. Take the video. Look.
Oh, this is stunning.
Are you video in the front?
Yes. Oh my god, it's so scary.
Can I get money after this?
Yeah. Money for what?
For driving?
You make us fall today. So we stopped and one of our friends was parking beside us. We didn't see and then we collided. Collided is a good word. That's what happened. We are fine. The bikes are fine. And
Not even a single scratch. I mean, Yasmin has a scratch.
yes, I have a few scratches, but literally this is me everyday life. I'll show you more of the view because it's,
Is he here?
no one wants to be seeing my face. It's so stunning. Hello.
Hello. Where do I park?
I can go down?
Yeah, you can go.
Oi. Okay. We arrived.
Look at the view.
It's called Cancalanog Waterfall. Cancalanog. And the view is stunning. It's so beautiful. Hello.
Look at the view there.
It's so peaceful. The only thing you can hear is me talking, so I'll stop. Stunning!
Jump!
For
My love! Jump in!
I feel my touch. If you want to taste my kisses in the night.
My love! Let's go to the main. So apparently we can jump.
Liddy, can you take a picture?
And one of the... We are preparing to jump! Are you gonna jump?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. I'm scared. Go for it. I'm scared. Go for it.
Wait! Let me film you guys! Jade, wait!
I don't think I can do it. It's so high.
Oh my god, you jumped from here?
My heart is beating like.
Here, lady. From here?
And my heart is like.
Go, Jade, you can do it.
I'm scared of heights.
Close your eyes and go.
Come on.
I love it.
Wait. I'm scared. I think I'm scared because of the people.
Oh my God. Okay, no, let's go with me. Come with me.
I might go to the small one. I'm gay.
1, 2, 3. No, I won't. This is amazing. So, let's say hello. Magandang gabi. You can do it. Tom, it's super easy. Just jump forward. Yeah. Oh, Tom is scared. Tom, I wanna do it again. You got video? Yes. I'm so scared doing this. This is so cool. I love it. I love waterfall. Bebe, it's really deep. Tom, it's really deep. I wanna come. I wanna go again. 1, 2, 3, go! 6, 7, 8. Yes, Tom. Woo! Forward! Are you okay? Was it amazing? No. Not amazing. No. I love it. Look at the color of this. Oh. Yeah. I want. This one? Do it.
Like from the...
But there are so many rocks.
Yeah, you have to have a good push, but you can do it. Can you jump from here? Is it okay or not? Do it! You do it first.
Oh, he's doing like levels. He's doing like ghost.
How good is this? And Virgin Mary!
Yeah,
Virgin Mary!
me and Tom both went and we were on. Both of us. Save us, Mary Jesus.
I always knew. You can go! Woo! Wow! Amazing!
Are you gonna do it? We will try it.
I will try, I love it. Is it really high?
Not that high.
No, this one is bad.
It's just like that.
Yeah? Okay, I can do it.
Higher than that.
Are you tired now?
No.
Love it. Ooh. Super local. We are the only tourists here. I love it. And I'm Cruella de Vil.
Rum, pa, pa, pa.
Rum pa pa pa.